Hi Priyanka.
Able to
Yeah,
hear
I'm
me?
sorry. Now you are audible. I guess so. My main mobile has some issues.
No problem. ये टेक्नोलॉजिकल चीजें हमारे हाथ में नहीं है.
अब हमारे हाथ में नहीं है.
No.
Right. Okay.
हाँ जी.
So going ahead with the next question, the numerology and connection with the birth. Birth as in sense mom,
Sorry. Come back again.
mother.
Numerology and
The connection with the mom, birth, basically birth and related to
birth.
mom.
You mean to say
Yeah,
career?
birth, janam.
Birth. Okay. So yeah, so we get a lot of our life's purpose and the way our energies are from our birth. So हम इस जन्म में why are you and why am I? You know, we get to know from that birth data, and it actually tells our life's purpose. So yes, it gives us that vision that हमारे लाइफ का क्या है और उसको किस तरीके से अच्छे तरीके से we should live. That's what numerology helps us in.
All right, great. So now moving to our final segment. So
Yes.
your definition of humanity.
Definition of
Humanity.
humility or humanity?
Humanity. Humanity. Humanity.
Humanity. Okay. HUMAN वाला. Okay.
Humanity.
उसका क्या डेफिनेशन होगा यार? जब लोगों को जरूरत हो, जब नेचर को आपकी जरूरत हो, तो बी देयर, you know, and be unconditional when anyone needs you. Be a listener, be a giver, and you know, be there, you know, whenever you're needed. That's being human. That's what I feel humanity is all about.
Right, okay. And what is the role of positivity in human life?
So if it's all about perceptions. A person, if he's positive, can see a spark even in the most difficult situations. And if someone is not positive, is negative, probably will find mistakes and glitches even in the most positive situations. So it's a state of mind. अगर हम पॉजिटिव हैं तो बुरी चीजें भी हमें बुरी नहीं लगती हैं, और अगर हम नेगेटिव हैं तो अच्छी चीजें भी हमें बुरी लगने लगती हैं. It's a state of mind.
State of mind. All right, okay. So now the main question is, see, we usually say that everything happens because Kaliyu or fate, but or it is a mindless action of humans. What you say on this?
It's the mindset of humans for sure. If we can change our mind with awareness, with consciousness, whatever we are facing, whatever we are going through can be shifted for sure. तो कोई भी चीज इस दुनिया में फिक्स्ड नहीं है. Everything is variable. It depends on how we look at it and how we take it and how we change it. Nothing is not this situation. हमने अगर सोचा है कि 9 बजे में इंस्टा पे जाना है, अगर टेक्नोलॉजी फिक्स नहीं है तो हमने तो अपना पूरा प्लान किया है. But then this is not in our hands. Similarly, only our karma is in our hands. And that's it.
Absolutely right. Yeah. So I guess Priyanka, you have answered very nicely in all the questions, and we can see your positivity in every segment. So
Thank
as
you
I
so
said,
much.
thanks. So as I said in my starting segment, कि Paripurna life is all about spreading the positivity and nothing else.
Right.
So not only the positivity, but as I said, positive action as well. So in our childhood, there are schools, like in schools we never learn about the positive thing. We learn about the competition, we learn about many things, but not taking the positive action to our goal or whatever it is in our some personal things. So as I said, ki I have already designed one kind of program that has a 7 step. So that program give me the inspiration to have a different people at my Paripurna Life Katta to talk about with them and to have a positive view of their own life. So I really thank you for coming in the live show and being I had a wonderful time with you with your answers, and it was really enlightening.
It
Okay,
was really
so
great to come on this live Insta thing, because as I told you, I'm not a very live person. I live live, but I'm a
mhm.
little reluctant about coming live or the video shows. But the
Yeah,
questions were
but
so
you done
spontaneous and
well.
so easy कि मुझे कुछ resistance लगा नहीं.
Yes, definitely. Yeah, and I feel that I have asked you, you said yes, I'm ready, and within 1 minute you have given me the picture as well, and everything was done. That's absolutely true, human, and the positive personality which I really found like yours in within you. So,
Thank
guys,
you so much.
this is all about today's show, Paripurna Life Katta. So I really thank everyone who are still with us with a lot of technical glitch. And if you at all wanted to know about the numerology, then I'll just buzz Priyanka on her Instagram handle so that she will able to guide you. And if at all you wanted to know about the Paripurna life different courses, then I'm just going to post the link in our comment section. So Priyanka, would you like to conclude this session?
Yeah, I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you to Panipurna Life and to you for for giving
Thank
this opportunity to come here and just talk, because otherwise
and
we
just
generally talk our subject, so I got a time to talk something which is not my subject so much. It's all about life, and it's all about being myself. So I think I'm really obliged, and I would like more and more positive people to come on this platform and share their life and their the way they have lived their life and have been living their life, so that
correct,
especially
correct,
the youngsters can get a lot of motivation and again approach Paripurna Life for all the more courses where they can see a lot of shifts in their life. So thank you so much for this
uh,
lovely opportunity, and I'm really
thank you,
thankful.
Priyanka.
Thank you. Take care.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Take care. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you for sticking up with us.